Assalamu alaikum class, this is Warda here again with another letter and another set of activities. So let's start the lecture with the name of Allah. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. And first of all, as always, we are going to have the poem. So it's jellyfish, jellyfish. Jump, 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 jellyfish, jellyfish. Have some fun. So we are going to repeat it one more time. It's jellyfish, jellyfish. Jump, jump, jump. Jellyfish, jellyfish. Have some fun. So in this poem, we have emphasized on the sound of jelly. It's jelly, jump, jellyfish. And now we are going to have some objects on the screen. And you people are going to tell that what are these objects. So first of all, it's a pretty easier one. It's a jug with the juice. It's jelly. And the last one is the jam. Okay, I am going to read the names with the spellings and the sound. Jug, jelly, jam. Let's read it one more time. It's jug, jelly, jam. Okay, so we are done with the vocabulary words. Now let's move towards the next one. That here we have a story that I'm going to read in front of you with the sound J. It's Jasim was a joker in a restaurant near the school. Every day he would start and he stand in the morning in front of the school gate and wave at the children. The children would laugh on his funny faces, which he would make Jasim smile too. So Jasim was a sad clown. He was lonely. He has no friends and little children scared to come near him. One day, he decided to be brave and speak to some children in the morning. He gathered his courage, took some balloons and candies, and did his funny makeup, went for the children. He was all energetic to be with his friends and made up his mind to make as many friends as he could that day. When the children start coming, he did his juggling and made the children laugh. Then he took out jiggly jellies and jam candies from the pocket of his colorful jacket and gave it to the children. So many children became his friends, and Jasim was very happy and proud that he made the friends. Okay, so in the story, we have emphasis on the sound of J. And there we have a couple of sounds as joker, Jasim, and furthermore we have the juggling, we have the jellies, jam, and jacket, and the jogger. So jogger and the clown, the Jasim was a clown and he was wearing a jacket, the colorful jacket that usually clown wear. Moving on, we have a couple of more things on the screen. And this one is a jeep. और ये हम पहनते हैं winters में, so ये तो सबको पता है. This one is a jacket. And this is a joker. And Jasim was a joker, a clown. So this is a joker. Here we have the spellings of jeep as jeep, jacket as jacket, and joker as joker. Let's read it one more time. It's jeep, jacket, joker. Okay, we are done with the objects. Now moving on to the next, we have a few activities on the screen that I am going to do in front of you. I have already made this jellyfish activity. So it could be done in two ways. You can take the paper plate and cut it into the half, paint it with the yellow color, and then paste these strips. Otherwise, I have taken the white color and I painted with the yellow paint, and I pasted these things. You can paste anything. You can also paste the chart papers as well. Along with that, I am going to make the eyes. You can take the wobbly eyes or you can draw it yourself. I'm going to make in front of you. They must be funny or the cute ones. Okay, so you need to do it at home. The other one is the most simplest one. You just need to draw the J letter and take colorful jellies or color them with the crayons as well. So these are the activities for the letter J. Now, okay. So we have one more thing. You people can trace it these letters on the workbook page as well with the help of the index finger and the crayon. So that was all for today. We did the story, we did the poem, we have done the activities, and you people are going to practice these letters J on your workbook and repeat the sound of J. Thank you so much. That was all for today.